Welcome to Hey Jen podcast. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking equipment, specifically some exciting grills, griddle tables, and accessories. Let's get started.
Awesome. So what's cooking in the grill world right now?
Well, have you heard about the Camp Chef Woodwind series? It's like the ultimate pellet grill lineup.
Oh, nice.
They've got Wi-Fi connectivity, stainless steel bodies, and this cool slide and grill feature for direct flame grilling.
Wait, Wi-Fi on a grill? That's wild. How does that even work?
You connect it to your phone via the Camp Chef app, and you can control the temperature, monitor your cook, all from your couch.
That's handy.
It's perfect for those long smokes when you don't want to hover over the grill.
So you can literally adjust your grill while binge watching your favorite show?
Exactly. And the cooking space is huge, 12 and 36 square inches. You could feed a small army.
Ha! But does it actually deliver good flavor? I mean, some grills have all the gadgets, but fall short on taste.
Customers are raving about the smoke control. One said the smoke setting is legit, and they're getting great smoke flavor on their meats.
That's impressive.
Plus, the build quality is top-notch. Stainless steel all around.
Sounds solid, but any downsides?
Well, some folks mentioned assembly being a bit involved.
Yeah?
And a few had issues with pellet feeding, needing to push pellets flat each cook.
That could be annoying during a long smoke session.
True, but overall, people think it's worth the extra effort. The cooking results seem to outweigh the minor hassles.
Gotcha. What about the Sidekick I heard about?
Oh, the Sidekick. It's an attachment that lets you sear or use a flat-top griddle right on the grill. It's like having a grill and a griddle in one.
No way. That's pretty cool. So you could cook burgers on the grill and saute veggies on the griddle simultaneously?
Exactly. It's super versatile.
Nice.
But remember, it's only included on certain models like the Woodwind Pro 36 with Sidekick sear or flat top.
Makes sense. So shifting gears a bit, any must-have accessories?
Glad you asked. There's this EUTRK grill table that's perfect for portable griddles. It's sturdy, can hold up to 300 pounds, and has wheels and foldable legs for portability.
Oh yeah, that sounds perfect for camping trips. Is it easy to set up?
Customers say it's easy to assemble and super functional. Plus, it has a condiment caddy and magnetic tool holders.
Handy. But is it really sturdy? I've seen portable tables that wobble with the slightest breeze.
From what users are saying, it's plenty strong. One even mentioned it's sturdy and functional for its intended use.
That's reassuring. Any other accessories we should know about?
Yeah, the Veloho Griddle Accessories Kit comes with 36 pieces. Spatulas, scrapers, squeeze bottles, you name it.
Sounds like overkill. Do you really need all that?
Well, maybe not all, but it's great to have options. And they're made of food-grade stainless steel. Plus,
True.
It's dishwasher safe and comes with a storage bag.
Okay, that's convenient. Any quality issues?
Most users love it, saying it's excellent quality and great value. But one person did mention the shakers weren't the best.
There's always something. Overall, seems like there are some solid additions to the outdoor cooking world.
Definitely. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just getting started, these products offer something for everyone.
Absolutely. Might have to check out that grill with the Wi-Fi. Controlling my smoker from the couch sounds pretty good.
Right? It's the future of grilling.
Ha ha! Well, thanks for the insights. This was super helpful.
Anytime. Now who's ready for a barbecue? Let's
Me.
fire it up.